In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change billing address on Shopify. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to find your billing address, how to edit it, and what details to double check so your invoices and tax records stay accurate. First, sign into your Shopify admin. On desktop, look to the lower left corner and click Settings. When Settings opens, it lands on the General page by default. At the top of this page, you'll see the Store Details card. Scroll to the bottom of that card and you'll find the Billing Address section. This is separate from your shipping address and the contact information customers see. It's used for invoices, taxes, and verification with your payment method, so accuracy matters here. Hover your mouse over the billing address area. You'll see a small pencil icon appear. Go ahead and click it. If you're on a touch device, you may need to tap the section to bring up the same edit option. Clicking the pencil opens a pop-up where you can change everything related to your billing profile. In the pop-up, you'll see fields for your legal business name, country or region, street address, apartment or suite if applicable, postal code, city, and state or region. Start with the country or region, because that choice can change the format of the fields that follow. Enter your legal business name exactly as it appears on official documents and billing statements. For the address, include any suite or unit number to avoid delivery or verification issues. Pay close attention to the postal code format used in your country, and make sure the city and region match the address on file with your bank or card issuer. Consistency here helps prevent declined charges or mismatched invoice details. When everything looks correct, click Save in the bottom right corner of the pop-up. Shopify applies the change immediately, and you may see a brief confirmation message. Going forward, new invoices and billing communications will use the updated details. A few quick tips before we wrap up. If you're switching your business to a different country or region, you might notice additional fields or different formatting requirements. Fill those out as prompted. If you don't see the pencil icon or can't edit the fields, your staff account may not have permission to manage billing details, so you'll need to ask the store owner or an admin to update it. And finally, if you're updating because your business name changed, be sure it matches your legal documents to keep your tax records and invoices consistent. That's it. You've updated your Shopify billing address with confidence and clarity. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.